Looking for the best sewing machine for home use? Whether you're mending clothes, crafting projects, or starting a sewing hobby, the right machine makes every stitch smoother. The best home sewing machines combine ease of use, reliable performance, and useful features to help you bring your creative ideas to life. Starting at number 1. FEIYUE FI710 Computerized Sewing Machine. The FEIYUE FI710 is a computerized sewing machine designed for advanced sewing, quilting, and monogramming. It features 180 stitch patterns, a stitch memory function, an easy-to-read LCD display, and adjustable speed settings to suit various sewing needs. The machine is equipped with an automatic thread cutter for convenience and comes with a presser foot set to enhance versatility. Ideal for experienced users, it offers precision and efficiency to handle complex sewing projects with ease. Number 2. FEIYUE FI390 Sewing Machine. The FEIYUE sewing machine, available in a sleek black color, is crafted with durable metal and plastic materials. It features compact dimensions of 6.3-inch D x 14.37 W x 10.63 H and weighs 13.6 pounds, making it sturdy yet manageable. Powered by a corded electric source, this electric sewing machine is equipped with an energy-saving servo motor that provides 10% higher efficiency compared to traditional induction motors, saving up to 35% more energy. The motor delivers smooth and consistent power, suitable for both everyday sewing tasks and heavy-duty projects. Additionally, the machine offers thread jam protection with a blinking light alert system that automatically stops sewing if the thread gets tangled or the machine is overloaded, allowing for quick resolution to protect both the motor and fabric. With advanced stitch and needle position control. Number 3. Brother ST371 HD Sewing Machine. The Brother ST371 HD is a versatile and durable sewing machine that offers 37 built-in stitches, including an auto-size buttonhole feature. It comes equipped with an automatic needle threader that effortlessly pushes the thread through the needle and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. This heavy-duty sewing machine includes several accessories such as 6 sewing feet, a needle set, a manual, and more to enhance your sewing experience. Its versatile free arm design makes it ideal for a wide range of everyday sewing projects, catering to users from beginners to advanced levels. Additionally, the Brother ST371 HD comes with your side support, providing free technical assistance via online resources, live chat, or phone for the lifetime of the machine. Number 4. Brother HC1850 Sewing. The HC1850 sewing and quilting machine is an exceptional choice for both novice and experienced sewists, featuring an impressive selection of 130 built-in sewing stitches. This includes 8 different styles of auto-size buttonholes, allowing for versatile sewing options and easy customization of your projects. Additionally, it offers 55 alphanumeric sewing stitches, enabling users to add personal touches, such as monograms or decorative lettering, to their creations. One of the standout features of the HC1850 is its advanced needle threading system. This innovative function facilitates ease of use by automatically pushing the thread through the needle with just a press of a lever, making the threading process quick and hassle-free. Coupled with a drop-in top bobbin that is designed to resist jamming, this machine ensures a smooth sewing experience without interruptions. Number 5. Singer Quantum Stylus 9960 Computerized Sewing. The Singer Quantum Stylus 9960 is a versatile sewing machine designed for both amateur and experienced sewists, offering a remarkable selection of 600 built-in stitches along with an impressive 1,172 stitch applications. These stitches encompass a variety of types, including essential stitches suitable for everyday sewing, stretch stitches perfect for knit fabrics, and decorative stitches that can add flair and creativity to your projects. One of the standout features of this machine is the ability to use mirror imaging and stitch elongation, which allows sewists to manipulate stitches to create unique designs tailored specifically to their quilting, fashion, home decor, and crafting needs. This flexibility ensures that every project can have a personalized touch, making them not only functional but also visually appealing and professional in appearance. And there you have it, my top picks for the best home sewing machines in 2026. Whether you're just starting your sewing journey or you've been crafting for years, I hope this guide helped you find your perfect match. All the links to these machines, plus current prices and specs, are waiting for you in the description box below. If this video saved you hours of research, please smash that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. Now go grab some fabric, make something beautiful, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy sewing!